Hello, welcome back to the Mudra healing session. Yoga mudras are life changing. It brings energy and vitality in the life. So let's practice mudras and experience health, happiness and harmony in our life. Today again with two mudras, Prana Mudra and Hakini Mudra. So let me first explain Prana Mudra. So Prana Mudra means that is the mudra of life energy. Prana is life energy. It is associated with the third eye center, that is the wisdom center, and also another center, the root center, from where the Kundalini awakes. It also brings vitality and energy. It helps the prana flow freely. That means it makes the inactive energy into active energy. That means the dormant energy into free flowing. So that's that. And how to do is that sit comfortably as usual. Take a few breaths and relax. Place your hands on your thighs. And how to do is that take the little finger that represents the water, the ring finger that represents the earth, our body, and the thumb that represents the fire element. So like this, join the tips of the ring finger, little finger and the thumb. Other two fingers straighten out like this. So it balances the earth element and the water element in our body. The fire element regulates and controls the both elements. Place the mudra on your thighs. Close your eyes for better focusing and visualize the free flow of prana in your body. If in some points you are feeling any pain or any blockage, visualize that point, focus on that point and feel that the prana is freely moving through that point and experience the healthy nature in that point. So like that, continue prana mudra. And the benefits of the mudra, just like what we said, it is making the prana flows freely, so it makes our body and mind stable. It removes the deficiency of vitamins in our body. It removes the impurities in the blood. It improves our eyesight and it boosts up our immunity, and it enables to relieve the pain and cramps in the muscles. That is it about the Prana Mudra. The next one is Hakini Mudra. Hakini Mudra is the mudra of power. Hakini means power. Hakini Mudra is associated with the wisdom center. That means the third eye center. Hakini Mudra helps us to install power in our mind. It helps it deepens the breathing and it oxygenates the brain and makes its function more properly. So it is very good to practice this mudra by aged persons who are suffering from dementia, Alzheimer's, or if you want to keep it away, we can go for this mudra, and also by the children who are suffering from autism, this mudra is very good. And how to do the mudra? Just simply sit straight, tall, comfortably and relaxed. Place your hands on your thighs. Bring the hands in front of you and join the corresponding fingers. This is the Hakini Mudra. So in this mudra, breathing is very important. You can breathe while breathing in. Just bend your tongue to touch the roof of your mouth. When you breathe out, release the tongue. Like that, while performing this mudra, do the breathing, just bending the tongue up the roof of the mouth, and when you exhale, release the tongue like that. That's why it is deepening the breathing. So the benefits of this Hakini Mudra is that it helps us to concentrate more. It improves focus. It enhances memory. It enables us to recollect the learned subject, and it coordinates the left and right brains. And that is about the mudras today. So thank you very much. We'll see you tomorrow with another mudra. So till then, take care. Bye bye.